So far this week, we've learned how to breathe better via our breathing exercise, and we've discussed relaxing our muscles when we stretch. To go along with that, now we have our lengthening versus clenching. Oftentimes, when we stretch or we're dancing in general, we tend to clench. So, I'm going to use my arm as an example. If you really tighten your arm, it's not going to be as mobile, like you have to fight it. If, however, you lengthen and just even from my elbow out through my fingertips, if I just lengthen, I have more mobility in everything, unlike if I clench. So just testing your arms is a good way to go. Try each side. Another exercise that I will give my dancers is to do a grand battement. Try clenching your entire body like super tight. You can even shrug your shoulders. Obviously, we want to refrain from like locking knees and grinding our teeth and things like that, so don't do that. But if you clench and try to do a grand battement, you'll notice you have resistance in your leg and it doesn't want to move. Whereas when you lengthen and you're in your proper alignment, you breathe properly and you feel space in each of your joints. You will notice that your leg will go a lot higher. You will notice that when you do a port de bras, you will be able to reach further to the side. You will notice that your arms can go many different directions so long as you are breathing and lengthening accordingly. When we talk about lengthening, there are certain things that we want to feel, and it can be a little challenging to really get the sensation of it when you're first starting out. So again, have patience. But when we lengthen, you should almost feel space between every single joint. And this doesn't mean that you're like dislocating anything. It just means that you feel almost a sense of airiness in your body where you feel as though your body can just float. And it's like a magical feeling that us dancers can get. So you should be able to feel that there's length in your arm and that elbow should feel stretched out. It should not feel like it's holding tension. It takes some practice. So one of the things that I suggest is isolate each part of your body. Try to do it wrong. So try to clench and then try to release and visualize and feel the space. Make sure that you are breathing, relaxing, all of that, and only focus on one area. Work your way from like your head all the way down to your feet. Clench and then release. Clench and then release. And see how that feels for you. Sometimes you have to do something wrong in order to correct it and feel it right, because then once you feel it right, you should be able to better implement that. These exercises should help you when you go out to dance. You should be able to immediately then apply the fact that, oh, I'm clenching, I should not do that. And you should find that things become a little bit easier out on the dance floor. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about visualizing and different ways that that can help us with stretching and dancing and all of that fun stuff. I will see you then.